how to change your Instagram password. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram, and if you have a multiple account, make sure that you are logged in with the account that you want to change the password of. After that, in the right lower corner you can see the profile icon, so simply tap on that. After that, you have to tap on the three dotted horizontal line which is in the right upper corner. Here you have to go through settings and privacy option. After that, you have to open up the account center option. Here you'll be able to see the settings of your account. Since we are trying to change the password, you have to tap on password and security option, and you have to go to change password option. So you have to select the account that you want to change the password. After selecting, you have to enter your current password over here, and you have to enter the new password. After doing that, you have to tap on change password option and your password of Instagram will be changed. So by following this simple step, you can change your Instagram password. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.